Ever wondered about ultimate luxury in the skies? Today we're discovering the top 5 most expensive airplanes globally. Machines redefining private air travel. Number 5. The Boeing 747-8 VIP. Customized for billionaires and heads of state, it costs around $150 million before its lavish interior personalization. Next, the Airbus A380 Custom. This double-decker marvel can exceed $500 million once personalized with amenities like concert halls or garages. A true flying palace. At number 3, the Airbus A340-300, owned by Alisher Usmanov. Valued at an astonishing $600 million, its opulent, unique design and technology are truly unparalleled. And the absolute most expensive? The Airbus A380 of Prince Al-Walid bin Talal. Though never fully completed, plans included a Turkish bath and a car garage, pushing its estimated value past $600 million.